Well, hello, my name is Hugo Jacome. I am from Ecuador. I am a musician and also I studied in Ecuador acoustical engineering in Universidad de las Americas, Quito. Then I made MBA in international business. And also I studied from 7 years old classical guitar in the Conservatorio George Gershwin. We brought together all this knowledge with my partners to build a strong technology platform to communicate deaf people in a better way with hearing people. So we started 9 years ago the research process, and then in the late 2015 we started the development process. In Ecuador, we won the biggest contest about entrepreneurship called Liga de Emprendedores. It's organized by a public bank. So we raised seed capital that helped us to accelerate some processes. So we are now in Web Summit. We were part of the pitch group also. We are very excited about to be here, to be in Portugal. Lisbon is a beautiful city. Portugal is an incredible country, amazingly beautiful. I also have family here in Portugal, so we are feeling like in home. Can you imagine just 1 hour without your hearing capacity? It's truly scary.
Yeah.
Now an entire life without that. So SpeakLiz tries to solve, or better, are solving since January of this year, this communication barrier between hearing people and deaf people. It's not common that hearing people knows and domains sign language, but for deaf people, it's their main language. So when this person, these deaf people wants to work, going shopping, and many things, they cannot communicate. So we created SpeakLiz to solve that. How? SpeakLiz, for example, converts spoken language to text and in the future to another kind of tools in real time. Also, you can transform text to voice. Also, you can know what is happening around you. Ambulances, motorcycles, animals, music, female voices, male voices, a long list of sounds. The most disruptive function is to convert in real time the sign language to a voice and a text in 20 languages that everybody can understand. That's our main goal. So the last function converts the sign language to a voice and a text that everybody can understand. For example, this is American Sign Language. I am just learning the American Sign Language. It's very difficult, but let's try.
Hello. Friends. I want show we change the world.
For example.
Yeah.
This system is compatible with some devices like smartwatches. This only takes the orientation data, accelerometer and gyroscope. But this takes all that data additionally to electricity of muscles. So this can determine if you are making this or this. You can reach a more precise language and many more gestures. Yeah. And also you can use 2 bracelets and expand your coverage of words. It also works in 20 languages. That's very cool. From Japanese to Bengali, Vietnamese, for example, in all that languages. Our selling strategy is being mainly in App Store of iOS and the Play Store of Google. We have, since January of this year, downloads in more than 65 countries without a marketing really heavy strategy. So we are now entering into a strong marketing phase. That's why we are here, to get known to all our partners, what is SpeakLiz, what are we doing, and that's why we are here. Our company started legally in 2012. Our company makes technology for disabled people. SpeakLiz is only for deaf people, but we research for blind, for physical disabilities, for all the range of disabilities. We have a very touching history because our first user Our testing user was Eric Ponce. Eric Ponce is a deaf person, but he works at the communication department of a government in Imbabura, our province in Ecuador. He cannot communicate with his partners working in the communication department. When he started to use SpeakLiz, he told us that his life has changed radically. And also, his father told us a phrase that we are today thinking and thinking and thinking. He said, even you cannot imagine what do you feel to speak with your son 20 years later, because just today I can communicate better with my son. His father doesn't know sign language. You have to be passionate, but that is the main part, because ideas, every day you have amazing ideas. But if you don't have the passion to push that ideas to a reality, you are doing nothing. It's just passion. Hi, Cédric. Thank you.